What if I told you that the voice you're hearing right now could be completely artificial, and you can create one just like it in less than 5 minutes? 11. Labs has revolutionized AI voiceovers, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to transform your content creation workflow forever. In this complete tutorial, I'm walking you through everything you need to know about ElevenLabs, from creating your first account to generating studio-quality voiceovers that sound incredibly natural. We'll cover voice selection, advanced settings, voice cloning, and the exact workflow I use to produce professional audio content. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, audiobooks, or podcasts, this tutorial will save you countless hours and thousands of dollars in production costs. First, head to ElevenLabs.io and sign up for a free account. You'll get 10,000 characters per month on the free plan, which is perfect for testing. Once you're in, you'll see the speech synthesis interface, which is your main workspace. The layout is clean and intuitive with 3 main sections: your text input box, voice selection dropdown, and model settings. Before you generate anything, take a moment to explore the voice library. ElevenLabs offers dozens of pre-made voices across different ages, accents, and styles. Click through a few and listen to the samples. This initial exploration will save you time later when you're choosing the perfect voice for your specific project. The voice you select makes or breaks your content, so let's do this right. In the voice library, you'll notice voices are categorized by use case, like narration, characters, or conversational styles. For YouTube content, I recommend starting with voices labeled as conversational or informative because they sound natural without being overly dramatic. Click on any voice to hear a preview and pay attention to the pacing and emotion. Here's a pro tip. The voice settings panel lets you adjust stability and clarity. Higher stability means more consistent delivery, while lower stability adds natural variation. For tutorials like this, keep stability around 70 to 80%. Clarity boosts crispness, which is perfect for educational content. Experiment with these sliders because small adjustments create dramatically different results. Now, for the exciting part, creating your first voiceover. Paste your script into the text box, but before you hit generate, let me share some formatting tricks. Use punctuation strategically because commas create natural pauses and periods add longer breaks. If you want emphasis on specific words, try using ellipses or dashes to create dramatic pauses. Select your chosen voice and model. The multilingual model version 2 is incredibly versatile and handles different content types beautifully. Click Generate and wait about 5 to 15 seconds depending on text length. Listen to the output critically. Does the pacing feel right? Is the emotion appropriate? If not, adjust your punctuation or voice settings and regenerate. Remember, each generation consumes characters from your quota, so refine your script before generating when possible. Download the audio as an MP3 when you're satisfied. Voice cloning is where ElevenLabs becomes truly powerful. And yes, it's available even on paid starter plans. Navigate to the Voice Lab section and click Instant Voice Cloning. You'll need to upload 1 to 5 audio samples of the voice you want to clone. For best results, use clean recordings with minimal background noise, at least 1 minute total duration, and consistent audio quality across samples. Record yourself speaking naturally or use existing audio if you have permission. Upload your files, name your cloned voice, and hit Create. The AI analyzes the vocal characteristics and creates a custom voice model. This process takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once complete, your cloned voice appears in your voice library alongside the pre-made options. Now you can generate unlimited content in your own voice or any voice you've legally cloned. This is game-changing for personal branding. Let me share my exact workflow that produces consistent, professional results every time. First, I write my script in a separate document and read it aloud to catch awkward phrasing before generating. Second, I break long scripts into sections of about 300 to 500 characters each. This gives me more control over pacing and makes editing easier later. Third, I generate multiple takes of critical sections with slight punctuation variations, then choose the best one. Fourth, I always edit the audio in a program like Audacity or Adobe Audition to add background music, adjust volume levels, and remove any odd artifacts. Finally, I keep a notes document tracking which voice and settings work best for different content types. This systematic approach transforms ElevenLabs from a simple tool into a complete production system. The consistency you'll achieve will elevate your content quality dramatically, and your audience will absolutely notice the difference. If this tutorial helped you understand ElevenLabs, smash that subscribe button because I release new AI productivity tutorials every single week. Hit the like button so this reaches more creators who need it. And here's my question for you. Drop a comment telling me what type of content you're planning to create with AI voiceovers. Audiobooks, YouTube videos, podcasts? I read every comment, and your answer might inspire my next tutorial. You now have everything you need to create professional AI voiceovers that sound natural and engaging. Stop letting audio production hold back your content. Start creating today.